All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone again. My name is Promise Bates. Today we'll be talking about ghost notes, how to play ghost notes for beginners, by the way. All right. So if you want to play ghost note, there are three things you have to put into consideration. All right, there are three levels of pressure. Pressure is the kind of energy you add to give a sound. Okay. Now the first level of pressure is the one that gives you harmonics. You don't have to even press it at all. Just place a finger in between the frets, which is this iron here. As you can see, to give you a sound. So you can see. So that's harmonics. Now the next level of pressure is you take it to the middle and you just tap it a bit, not touching the board. Okay, so to give you mute. All these are very key. Okay, so now what the mute will do for you is to give you a beat pattern, because ghost note is actually a beat pattern combined with an actual note. Okay. Now the last level of pressure is what will give you an actual note. You get it? So the actual note. Okay, now let's break it down. First of all, you have to create a pattern in your head. Okay? And that depends on the kind of song you want to play, the kind of song you tend to play, or the type of song, worship, praise, jazz, or any sort. Okay? Now let's assume that we are playing a funk. Okay, so we are playing a 2/6 kind of progression on the key of G. So we have okay, we have the actual note, which is 6/6/6/2/2/2/6. Now, what we put in between the notes gives us the ghost note we talked about. Now, creating something in between the notes gives the professionalism. So you can do something like this. Okay, now here's what you can do. First of all, create your mute, okay, surrounding the notes. So you can do something like this. You get it? That's a basic one. You can tap, and you can also play the mute. So whichever way. Okay. Again. See. So go again. Okay. Now you can also do this in a makusa setting, so probably your normal African praise and worship. So if you listen carefully, you will feel the notes in between the notes. The actual note is okay. This one is without the ghost note. Now with the ghost note, you now have when it's getting faster, it's sweeter. Okay, so let me slow it down. Now create the beat pattern again. So you can see. So again. whatever you are playing, you create a beat pattern with your mute, or you could be tapping the string with your right hand like this. Okay, so it is to your own discretion. But I've shown you the secrets. If you love it, if it's helpful to you, please subscribe and click the like button and comment. Thank you. So I will see you again. God bless you. Bye for now.